Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal environment. Install Python 3. Set up a virtualenv, and pip install Flask or Fast API so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, create a project folder with app, py, and a template /directory for HTML. You do this now because having a small, reproducible workspace avoids path errors later. Make sure to pick the micro framework that matches your needs. Flask for simplicity, Fast API for async and open API support, so future steps align with your chosen tooling. You now implement endpoints. Define a route that renders a Jinja2 template for server-side rendering, or create JSON returning endpoints for a JS frontend. Once done, write client-side code that fetches /API/data with fetch and updates the DOM. This gives a responsive UI without full page reloads. Make sure to serve CSS and JS from a static folder and configure your framework to map that folder. This keeps assets organized and avoids 404 when the browser requests scripts or styles. You finish by running the app in development mode and exercising every endpoint in the browser, and with curl so you confirm both HTML rendering and API responses. Once done, enable cores when the frontend lives on a different origin and add clear logging to capture errors. If things go wrong, verify JSON structure, HTTP status codes, and console errors. These pinpoint mismatches. Make sure to check server logs and browser dev tools. Often a missing header or wrong path is the single cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.